In this video, I'll show you how to save pictures from a USB flash drive to your laptop. So if you've got a USB drive with pictures on it, you can go ahead and copy those files to your laptop. So first, go ahead and plug in the USB drive into your laptop. Once you've done that, File Explorer may already open with your USB drive and the files inside. If it doesn't though, you can go to your File Explorer icon. From here, you can go to this PC. Here you'll see your drive for your laptop or computer, and you should then see your USB drive as well. Go ahead and click on your USB drive. Here you can see I have some pictures that we're going to copy onto my laptop. To do that, we can go ahead and highlight all of them, then right click and click on copy. From here, we can go ahead and create a new folder on our actual machine. So I'm going to go to documents, and you can choose here where you want your folder to be. I'm going to right click, go new, and create a new folder. I'll just call this folder pictures. We can then double click into this folder, and then you can right click anywhere on screen, click paste, and you've now pasted the photos from your USB drive over to your folder. So this folder you created is on your main PC. Now you've done that, you can go ahead and eject your USB. So go show hidden devices by clicking on the arrow, right click on your USB, click eject, and you can now remove it.